we're trying a different look today. Really excited. It should be a quick one though because it is a closure. And lately I've been liking the low maintenance-ness of the closures. I wonder if I should bleach these knots because I have been practicing. I wasn't focused on me and I just lost it for 2 seconds. But yeah, this is the color we're going for today, a ash blonde. I think it could get ashier. No? No? Yeah, right? I feel like it could. Let me see what it looks like on by itself. Already the size is good. It's like, it's not bad. It's like, might as well, I feel like. I don't want it a little, not gray, but like, you know, you kind of get what I'm saying? Ashier. Because this is kind of, it's not 613, but it's tight brassy. And it's a closure. Whatever I'm doing gotta be with intent. Can't just slap this and half up, half down. Because if I was a little more if I was a light skinned person or brown skinned person, maybe this would be ashier to them, but not for us. So I'm gonna run to the corner store, not the corner store, the beauty supply store, and get some things. Alright, so boom, Mrs. Louder Wrong about to come through. Cause listen, that was shampoo. Gagged. Had to go back to the beauty supply store and get conditioner to co-wash my hair. I don't know what I was thinking, but your girl has to just recalibrate and make sure you get conditioner, read the label, don't do what I did and just grab and go. So I just, you know, put it through the bowl, washed it out a little bit, tapped it dry, and got to work. I did it on my floor because I thought it was like just the easiest way to show you what I did, ball for ball, you feel me? The box I used was Revlon and number 60. And, you know, obviously it comes with instructions, but what I did not do is read them fucking instructions. Excuse my language, but I did not read those instructions. You see what I'm putting in there? Loud, wrong, and strong is the conditioner, not the product. That packet is the conditioner for after usage. And I put in, like, I guess, you know, the dye itself, you know, put in some more. Thought I was on to something here. Just wrong. You see this white bottle right in front of me right here to the left? That's what's supposed to be mixed in with that brownish liquid. I'm supposed to shake it in that bottle and then I can apply that liquid right there. I'm supposed to apply in that white bottle. Mix it like that if I want to in the bowl and then apply it to the hair. I didn't realize this until, listen, until I went through both of those things and I'm like, oh, the consistency is kind of off. That's weird. I wonder why. Put it through all the hair. I'm wondering why it's so, like, not watery per se, but it just smells super soft. Needless to say, I completely washed all of it out. Even though it's all up in the hair, I washed it all out. Thankfully, it was only conditioner, so the only thing, like, it just was softer. That right there is a proper mixture you're supposed to have. So what I did was just thoroughly go over like the roots and in between, like spreading it open to make sure like any patches that I think was left undone was dealt with, because that was the last thing I was scared to happen to me, is like it to just like the color wash out. But thankfully, because I don't know why, maybe Jesus was just like, just give her something to work with. It didn't really matter that I used conditioner in the coloring. So I just went back in with them 2 bottles I had left. Luckily, it was enough because I already had some of the dye with the conditioner in the first round I did. But yeah, it still, as you'll see, it still did what it had to do. Thank God. I left it for about 30 minutes or so. 30 minutes? I think 20 minutes. I think between 20 and 30 minutes, I let it sit right there. And I just wanted you to see how it looked. It didn't look like it was damaged or anything, which I was so grateful for. And I just took it over to the sink, washed it out, and I was just like thoroughly in love. I couldn't believe it. I take like a couple of pictures, showed y'all on the gram, let y'all know we doing things again. But yeah, I'm really happy that the conditioner thing that I messed up didn't have any wrongdoing to the hair, because it came out magnifique. Baby, exactly. Sorry for yelling. The trial and error I went through, I probably already explained in the voiceover, but that was so crazy. Like, Special Grade is definitely giving up. And I'm definitely not giving up, but I be forgetting that girl just is an inconveniencer. But I'm really proud of so far how it is. It looks grayish, but even with the mess up, I'm sure it's definitely about to hit way harder than it was hitting before. She wasn't ugly, but just wanted to like dry inside the cap real quick. I'm gonna just put some serum on it. This Biosilk. Maybe it's better if I just put it on and do this. It's so much better. So I got Malty lip for y'all. Okay, time exciting. Gonna re-flatten out the dents. Okay, real quick before he come back upstairs. Sorry about the box in the background, but it is very clear that I ate this, and I'm very, very happy with my results. So not that much to say, but taking chances is worth it. I think it should get some layers, but